The Nikon Z5 II marks a significant step forward in what photographers and videographers can expect from an entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera. Blending the accessibility of a sub-$2,000 price point with technology and features inherited from Nikon's more premium models, the Z5 II manages to straddle the gap between affordability and professional capability, a feat that few cameras in its class achieve. Let's dive deep into what makes the Z5 II such a compelling option and why it's quickly becoming a favorite among enthusiasts and emerging professionals alike. At the heart of the Z5 II is a 24.5 megapixel full-frame backside illuminated CMOS sensor, the same sensor found in Nikon's acclaimed ZF and Z6 II models. This sensor delivers a remarkable balance of resolution, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Thanks to the advanced X-Speed 7 processor, the Z5 II is noticeably faster than its predecessor, the original Z5, with enhanced noise control, richer color rendering, and more responsive operation. Photographers can expect clean, detailed images up to ISO 6400, with even higher sensitivities yielding usable results, ideal for those who frequently shoot in challenging lighting conditions. One of the most impressive upgrades in the Z5 II is its autofocus system. Sporting 273 on-sensor phase detection points, the hybrid AF system covers a broad area of the frame and is powered by algorithms drawn from Nikon's pro-grade Z8 and Z9 cameras. Subject detection now includes people, animals, birds, vehicles, and even airplanes, making it easy to lock onto fast-moving or unpredictable subjects. The addition of 3D tracking ensures that the camera can reliably follow subjects across the frame, while low-light focusing down to Tower 10 EV opens up creative possibilities for night photography in dimly lit environments. In real-world use, shooters report that the Z5 II's autofocus is not only faster, up to 68% quicker than the original Z5, but also more reliable, consistently tracking actions such as mountain bikers or birds in flight, and excelling in scenarios where other entry-level models might struggle. Stabilization is another area where the Z5 II distinguishes itself. The in-body image stabilization, IBIS, system provides up to 7.5 stops of compensation, allowing for handheld shooting at dramatically slower shutter speeds. Whether capturing handheld portraits in low light or shooting landscapes at dusk, the IBIS ensures sharp results with minimal blur. While some tests have observed slight camera shake beyond 2 seconds of exposure with certain lenses, the overall performance remains class-leading, especially for a camera in this price bracket. The Z5 II is also a formidable tool for videographers and content creators. It records 4K video at up to 30 frames per second using the full width of the sensor, delivering detailed, vibrant footage. A 4K 60p mode is available as well, albeit with a 1.5x crop, a marked improvement over the original Z5's 1.7x crop. Advanced video features such as 10-bit N-Log and N-RAW recording give filmmakers extensive latitude in post-production, while a dedicated product review mode is tailor-made for vloggers, allowing the camera to switch focus smoothly between the presenter and objects held up to the lens. Combined with the fully articulated 3.2-inch touchscreen, video creators have the flexibility and control needed for dynamic content. Ergonomically, the Z5 II builds on Nikon's tradition of camera bodies that feel robust yet comfortable in the hand. The magnesium alloy chassis is weather-sealed, providing confidence when shooting in challenging environments, be it rain-soaked cityscapes or windswept deserts. At 700 grams with the battery and card, the Z5 II isn't the lightest full-frame mirrorless camera available, but its deep grip, an improvement over the original Z5, ensures stability, especially when paired with heavier lenses. The control layout is intuitive, closely mirroring the Z6 III, and the inclusion of a dedicated picture control button allows for quick adjustments to image profiles and color rendering. The electronic viewfinder is another highlight, boasting 3.69 million dots and an impressive brightness of 3,000 nits. This makes it easy to compose shots even in bright sunlight, while the fully articulated touchscreen, at 2.1 million dots, enables flexible shooting angles, whether you're capturing high-angle landscapes or filming yourself for a vlog. While some may lament the absence of a top LCD display, the bright EVF and responsive rear screen more than compensate. Connectivity and workflow options are equally robust. Dual UHS-2 SD card slots offer redundancy and flexibility, allowing photographers to back up images in real time or separate stills from video files. USB-C streaming capability turns the Z5 II into a high-quality webcam for live streaming or remote teaching, while Nikon Imaging Cloud support makes it easy to update firmware and download custom JPEG recipes directly to the camera. The ENEL15C battery delivers around 380 shots per charge by CIPA standards, which is sufficient for most casual and enthusiast use. For extended sessions, such as weddings or all-day events, the optional MBN14 battery grip doubles battery life and enables hot swapping for uninterrupted shooting. When it comes to real-world feedback, users have been quick to praise the Z5 II's step-up in autofocus speed, image quality, and versatility. Many consider it a best buy for its price, noting that it delivers a shooting experience and results that rival more expensive models. Enthusiasts appreciate the camera's intuitive controls and customization options, while professionals value its reliability as a second body or backup. In direct comparison to its competitors, the Z5 II stands out in several key areas. The Canon EOS R8, while lighter and less expensive, lacks in-body stabilization and dual card slots, features that are increasingly expected in this segment. Sony's A7 III, though renowned for its extensive lens ecosystem, is beginning to show its age in terms of autofocus speed and sensor technology. Panasonic's S5 II comes close in terms of autofocus and video specs, but many users report that Nikon's AF is more dependable, especially for wildlife and action photography. The Z5 II's dual UHS-2 SD slots, IBS, and robust weather sealing make it a practical and durable option for a variety of shooting scenarios. Of course, the Z5 II is not without its trade-offs. The price increase over the original Z5 may put it just out of reach for some beginners, and the cropped 4K 60p video mode might not satisfy all videographers, especially those needing wide-angle coverage. The absence of a stacked sensor brings some rolling shutter effects in electronic shutter mode, and the body, while solid, is not as compact as some rivals. Ultimately, the Nikon Z5 II succeeds in redefining the entry-level full-frame mirrorless category. It offers a tantalizing blend of image quality, autofocus performance, stabilization, and video capability in a body built to withstand real-world demands. For photographers ready to move into full-frame, or for those seeking a versatile hybrid camera that won't break the bank, the Z5 II is a compelling choice. Proof that entry-level can now mean uncompromising performance and features once reserved for the professional tier.